Ever wondered how a so-called simple gelatin recipe is suddenly promising dramatic weight loss without diet or exercise? That's exactly the hook behind LipoLess, and in this video I take a close, realistic look at what's actually being sold versus what's being promised. LipoLess is aggressively promoted through viral ads that rely on emotional storytelling, claims of secret formulas, and authority-style endorsements that appear convincing at first glance. But when you slow down and analyze the details, the picture becomes far less impressive. The marketing suggests that gelatin can somehow reset your metabolism and melt fat effortlessly. Yet there is no real recipe provided, no transparent explanation of how this process would work biologically, and no clinical studies to back up the claims. The supplement itself does not clearly disclose ingredient dosages, which makes it difficult to evaluate effectiveness or safety. And phrases like FDA approved are used in a way that can easily mislead viewers who don't realize supplements are not approved in the same way as medicines. Many of the video funnels are designed to keep you watching emotionally charged testimonials while pushing you toward limited time offers, upsells, and subscription-style billing that isn't always obvious up front. As for results, while some users report minor changes that could easily be explained by general lifestyle factors or placebo effect, there is no solid evidence that LipoLess delivers the dramatic fat-burning outcomes advertised. At the same time, not everyone reports negative experiences either, which is why it's important to separate marketing hype from realistic expectations. Overall, LipoLess does not appear to be a breakthrough solution, but rather another supplement built around clever advertising and exaggerated promises. This video is meant to help you think critically, understand the red flags, and decide for yourself before spending money on claims that sound too good to be true.